This is Higgsfield, and it might be the only AI platform you'll ever need to become a real content creator. One dashboard, unlimited image generation with Nano Banana Pro, and cinematic video creation using the latest models like Kling 2.6. No complicated setups, no switching between tools, just pure AI power, ready to turn your ideas into professional content in minutes. Now, let's see how we can create videos using this platform and explore some of the amazing new features introduced in the latest updates. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can start creating your own AI videos with confidence.
First, we're going to learn how to generate cinematic-style images exactly the way we want. Then, we'll use those images to create high-quality AI videos. So, let's get started. Okay, to do that, navigate to Nano Banana Pro, or you can also use Cinema Studio. For this tutorial, I personally prefer Cinema Studio because it gives better control for cinematic results. So let's continue using Cinema Studio. So here you can type your image prompt, upload any reference image, choose your camera lens, and then click Generate. I've already linked a complete Cinema Studio tutorial in this video, so you can follow that guide for deeper understanding. Here, I've prepared a list of prompts, so I'll choose one and test it using the Cinema Studio feature. Let's see what kind of cinematic result we get. Okay, as you can see here, the image has been generated. These are the camera settings I used for this result. Remember, changing these settings can completely change the cinematic look, depending on the camera style and movie type. So always try different camera settings based on the result you prefer.
Now, let's convert this scene into a video. Simply click on the image and then click Animate.
Here, the image is now set as the first frame. If you want, you can also add an end frame. Then describe the scene you want to turn into a video. After that, select the video duration, choose any camera movements if required, and finally, click Generate.
Okay, the scene has been generated. Let's check it out. Now you understand how Cinema Studio works. If anything is still unclear, please check my complete tutorial video about Cinema Studio. All right, now let's move on to the new feature called Mixed Media.
This is an amazing mixed media feature for your videos. It allows you to create stunning visual effects, especially for music videos and creative projects. Let's see how it works.
Okay, here, first upload the video you want to apply the effect to.
Now select the effect you want to apply, then click Generate and wait for the result. Perfect! That's how you complete the process. Now, let's take a closer look at what I created using this effect. Okay, now I'm sure you have a good understanding of this feature as well. So let's move on to another amazing feature called Click to Add. This is a powerful feature that helps you generate super realistic product videos, including UGC-style ads and many other creative formats. It's perfect for product promotions, social media ads, and marketing content. All you need to do is paste your product link, for example from one of these supported websites. The system will automatically collect the product details and images, and then generate a video for you.
Now upload your product logo and click Continue. Next, you'll see an option to choose a video style. Select the style you prefer and then click Generate.
I love this Mimosa Halter Bustier Maxi. It's a soft cotton spandex blend with just the right amount of stretch, super comfortable, and it fits true to size.
Amazing, right? These are just a few of the AI tools you can use for your creative work, and there are many more powerful features inside Higgsfield that you can explore. So don't hesitate to try them out and find the best workflow for your own content creation.
So, let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. I'll be back soon with a brand new video. Until then, goodbye and take care.
This button-down mini dress is so comfy and cute. It has these little front buttons and a tie in the back, which I love because it pulls the waist in just right. It's true to size, super easy to throw on, and honestly perfect for sunny days like today.